2019 BMW F850 Cycle Trader ad walk around. 3 updates. One of these screws, I guess, was replaced with something not stainless. At one point in time in the video, I noticed there's one rusted that looked terrible. Went to Ace Hardware, got something very similar to a BMW screw for $2. It's stainless. That is matching really nice. You do have the kickstand fixed here, or the foot peg fixed here. OEM parts from BMW, $14 with the spring, a little pin there, and the clip on the back, so that is good. The best part, well, you also have 6,000 mile engine service, oil change, air filter, all that's done, so you're good to go to your next 12,000 at 60,000 miles. And brand new back tire, Continental TKC 80. Really cool tire. If you go off-road at all, works really well. I laid about a 20-foot 2-inch deep patch of dirt over on the other side of town yesterday, testing it out. On the highway it's not too bad, even on the groove pavement on the concrete around Las Vegas. And might as well go for a ride on this absolutely gorgeous day in Las Vegas. So you got GPS prepped, heated grips, cruise control, 4-gallon gas tank, brand new Anarchy Wild front tire, Michelin, that matches the back, which is literally got 100 miles on it. There you go. 850, walk around for 1 minute.